Reservoir is a craft distillery born of a love and passion for whiskey. Jay and I began this venture way back in 2008 with the intent of making something the best that we could that was purely Virginia. Welcome to Reservoir. We are going to take you through how we make whiskey. You might even get a chance to get your hands a little bit dirty. Our partnership with the Homestead came about because we really share a lot of the same values with the history and heritage of the state of Virginia.
I picked Reservoir because I like it and ties in with the Homestead of sourcing locally and supporting local farmers and culture and the state of Virginia. We sat down, David and I, and talked bourbon and how we could put together a bourbon that features traditions of the Homestead and Reservoir Distilleries.
And this is important because we got an opportunity to sit down and taste through all of our whiskeys and actually create a blend that was uniquely the Homestead.
We brought the food and beverage team to the Reservoir Distilleries to show them the passion and love that goes into every bottle. It's very important to see that what they're going to be providing to the guest and what goes into that bottle.
I think it's hugely important for anyone that is selling a bottle of whiskey or a taste of whiskey to understand where it comes from. That the quality of the whiskey you make is directly related to the quality of the ingredients that you have.
And what it takes, the amount of labor and love and passion to put into a bottle, and they can share that with our guests.
If you grew up here in Virginia like I did, at some point in your life you spent time at the Homestead as a little kid. You spent time at the Homestead as a teenager and then as an adult. It's a very, very special institution, and to have the opportunity to collaborate with someone that we so greatly respect is very special.